Okay, let's give it to Rina Villamor while the action gets underway. Sige, Rina.
Yes, let's talk smart, as both of these teams will be needing their hardcourt smarts to survive in today's game. And as for the Lady Patrollers, Coach Manuel Durlan reminded them earlier of individual efforts and not to rely solely on their San Beda players just like Molina and Marciano in today's game. Sabi pa niya that the team was only formed 2 days prior to the opening game. Kaya nga sinabi niya that the gelling is a big task for him. Now, this team is comprised of its regular players, dependents just like the Tuin, Molina, and Dave, and their guest players as well. Coach Molina, who celebrated his birthday on the opening day, said that they joined this prestigious league to promote PNP's Patrol Plan 2013, which stands for Peace and Order Agenda for Transformation and Upholding of the Rule of Law, that highlights on competence, discipline, excellence, and professionalism. Back to you guys.
Ay,
Rina, sabi mo nga yun ulit.
Rina, ulitin mo, ha? Parang kang isang buong newscast. Di ba? Parang siyang isang buong newscast, ano?
Ulitin mo.
May sports na, meron pang political news, tapos may peace and order, buong buo, no?
Galing, no?
May birthday greetings pa. Pasok. Believe ako. Iba talaga pag on the same ground tayo, no? Pag hindi tayo magkasama, may ibang nangyayari. And it's always a joy to work with Rina. Very complete report. Hagipla. 10-2 ang score natin, ba? It's nice to know that Frances Molina is one of the star players ng San Beda pala, no, ha?
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. What's nice about seeing new teams emerge with different players is you find out their history, and then, you see the growth and yung maturity na isang team.
So we get to know new players also. I'm sure they're pretty excited to be part of our league. Also now celebrating its decade of being an important part of the Philippine volleyball scene. 11-2 count. Axel is the official outfitter ng Cheki's V-League.
Parang when you look at this smart team, walang school yan. May UST, may Lasal, may UE in Roses. Guliman was from, I think...
Remind me.
Yeah.
We'll ask Coach Mac later. In the meantime, the longest rally.
Lyceum. Yeah.
Sarap may Google dyan sa kaliwa mo.
Always.
2-2 is the count. Makipuela is the beautiful voice that you're hearing calling the action for the fans here at the arena. In the meantime, back serve. Concepcion. Molina, easily, ang lakas ng depensa rin ito, smart kasi. Soltones, one-hander by Concepcion. Ogana, nilipat sa kabila. Soltones. Yan ang tawag dyan, nagsimba at pumalo. Tusok na tusok.
Alam mo, if you're the middle spikers of itong smart team, you always have to be ready. Because even how kahit alanganin yung bola, Ruby can give it to you, as you can see. Just approach and Ruby will get it to you.
Si Ruby De Leon, kumain ka na, bibigyan ka pa ng merienda uli, di ba? At saka Nika Guliman taking care of that, all height and all perfect toss actually. Concepcion, reverse set. Huli! Si Molina, double block.
That's right. This player is one to really watch out for dito sa league na to, in this conference, Molina. She scored about 19 points in that match against losing. It's a losing cause, pero 19 points.
Tumeralco yata.
Yeah, Tumeralco.
So minsan, ang smart nanalo sa FEU. Alam mo, confidence eh. Kung minsan pag nakikita mo sa kabilang side, wow, lakas nila. Sige, 2 days ago lang tayo na form. Tingnan natin. Let's see how far we can go here today. Here's Rosas, a staple in Roger Gorayev teams. Ano ha? Permanent. Ruby with a good track down. Hinabol. Concepcion. Well done.
Smart.
Off speed, ano? And that's Marciano.
That's Janine Nicole Marciano.
Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down.
Alam mo, in that slow-mo, that's a perfect example of how you can, from trying to approach, how you can parang get a fake over your opponents. Ganda ng approach niya, akala mo tuloy, and then off speed.
Also a member of the San Beda team. Okay, that's off the 2 blocks and 2 points in a row na i-score ng kupunan ng PNP.
You gotta love itong aura ng PNP squad, They're really, nag-uusap sila, and then you have good players in Marciano, obviously, Molina, pero maganda yung aura nila together,
they probably need just a little more time to be together. Ano? Ruby Soltones, hello. Ito ang future star.
Oo.
Saka ano yun, nabera na eh. Ayun, tumatawa naman. Ay, siya yung parang rookie sa grupo to. And during the warm-ups, magkakilala na yung iba eh. Eh siya hindi nakikipagharutan. Antayin nyo, mga 1 week pa.
Mas makulit pala siya sa lahat.
Yun pala. Yun yung lagi nangyayari dyan eh. Concepcion, nice day. Si Roses, walang gumugulo talaga sa kanya. Oh, well done. Tusok.
Marciano doing very well for itong PNP squad. And good news for them, Mitch, that to win now in front.
Janine Marciano. Si Michelle, no, nabibiro natin dahil nakasama natin dito sa panel. Michelle, one of the best players from the LaSalle program, of course. In the meantime, that is neatly done. Hello, I am your friend, Ruby De Leon. Lamang sila, 16-6.
Ako po si Jen Perna Smart at kayo'y nanonood ng Shake It League Open Conference